Tulips are so attractive and so beautiful. There are so many tulip gardens around the world and people visit from one place to another in order to just have a beauty of these flowers. Let's try to draw the tulips in just few simple steps. This is very easy. You can fill it with any of your favorite colors. Now from the alphabet B, we are going to draw an expecting mother that she is holding her baby bump carefully. It's so easy. I'm using the purple glitter pen for this one. You can go for any other color of your own choice. You can even use a pencil for drawing this one. Boys love to put on the cap on their head, so today we are going to draw a cute little boy that's having a cap on his head and he's just walking through. This is very easy and best suited for the kids between the age group of 9 to 12. Isn't it so cool? Just give it a try. I'm writing the word he at the cap. South Indian people have their own tradition and culture, so today we are going to draw the man and the woman from a South Indian culture in just few simple steps. Just give it a try. This is so easy and it looks so funny. I'm here using the glitter pens for the outlines. You can draw with a pencil or any of your marker or sketch pen. I'm here using the glitter one so that it will give somewhat shine and it may look so attractive.